I can't even fucking speak right now. Is that an ad? Wait, what's an ad for? Mafia 2. Okay, thank God I have myself a controller to skip the ads. Hello, this is Vamp Gore, aka Very Weird Goth Nerd. I finally decided to on my TV while, I do my tutorial. Today we're gonna be doing my daily, tutorial,
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
pretty much my normal makeup, the one I use on my, most of my, post. I'm gonna call it I Look Dead, but in a hot way. That's why I'm gonna name this, makeup tutorial. Honestly, this is all I use. This is really much all I use. By the way, I'm watching Paro's live for those who are curious on what I'm currently watching. I don't know why he's streaming at this time. It's literally 12 a.m. here. That guy is currently in Australia. I don't even know what time it is there. I got myself a sticky note, decided to write down things I want to talk about. The first one's about more of an update. I am currently fine, I put bracket the Weeknd concert. I did go to the Weeknd concert. It was pretty good. Next thing I want to talk about is YouTubers I've been watching. Oh, by the way, lip liner I'm using is MAC Root for Me, and I normally overline my lip. I overline the top part of my lip and then kind of the side, not too much on the sides, but yeah. So sometimes I do a V cut, or sometimes I do kind of very smooth kind of U shape. It depends how I feel, but yeah. And then the corners, I kind of darken that part, and I also did the same thing to that. That way, it's easy for me to kind of line it up to the bottom. Also, by the way, I heard that Carti was originally supposed to be at the Weeknd concert, but then he wasn't allowed apparently. But I would have been more of a Carti fan than the Weeknd. I love the Weeknd, but I listen to his I prefer his older songs though. I'm a bigger Carti fan. And I'm into I'm more of into the underground rap scene, kind of, not really. I mean, I literally listen to everything. In conclusion, I listen to literally everything from rock, heavy metal, death metal, black metal, to underground rap, cloud rap, sigglecore, or hyper pop. But yeah.
Also forgot to mention breakcore. Shit Machine Girl and electro or electronic, whatever that genre is called. So Crystal Castle.
I think the only thing I don't listen to is country, but unless it's Hannah Montana. Hannah Montana country is okay. That is okay.
Yeah. It's a party in USA. Yeah. It's a party in USA. Oh my god.
We lost the chat.
I've been listening to Britney Spears as well. It's Britney, bitch. Next thing I want to talk about is YouTubers I've been watching. So I've been watching, other than Pyrocynical, I've been watching 3FS, literally my glorious king. I also been watching Jerma, also my glorious king. I've been watching his clips. I don't really watch his streams when he's live streaming, because I do have him on Twitch, but I don't really watch his streams. I watch his kind of his archive ones, I guess. I just watched his Outlast 2 one. That shit was something. Honestly, yeah, that one like after seeing the gameplay for Outlast 2, I was like, okay, thank God I didn't get the game. But yeah, I don't even think I mixed this properly. Fuck. Oh yeah, the color I used is also by MAC, Teddy 2.0. But yeah, so it's currently supposed to look like this. Sometimes what I do with leaf, like, I'll like, so, I can't even fucking speak right now. Who else have I been watching? What's his name? Zero TV. He's actually pretty entertaining to watch as well. He's kind of a new YouTuber. And then Moist Critical. And then I watch like random shit on the side too. Oh yeah, and Caseoh. Speaking of Caseoh, my sister thought Caseoh was emo. I don't know how she came to that conclusion. I think it's because she's like, oh, anything I like consume or like watch is also emo and goth, which is, I don't know how to feel about it. It's like whatever, but it's just funny that she thought Caseoh was emo.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again.
So I'm currently going back with my lip liner and kind of like darkening it. Now sometimes I would go with a black liner. Depends how this is like, sometimes I'm not. Very much depends how I feel in that moment. To like darken the lip liner. Sometimes I add too much, sometimes I add a little bit. Yeah, again, depends how I feel. Yeah, I'm just going over that. Now, like the Pacific kind of like look I'm kind of going for is one I posted. I'll show it over here. It's the one I'm currently kind of going for. I posted that on IG, which if you haven't been following me on IG, please do, because that's where I'm mainly active. And then I'm going back with my lip liner and kind of ending that in. I have to go back with my black liner. The lips are done. Next, we're gonna go with the eyes. Now, I'm gonna try my best to explain to you guys how I do my liner. But before I even do that, I add in glitter around like my eyelid area. I use my fingers for this. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot. Don't be crazy with it. I mean, you can if you want to, but I'm not going to. So I'm gonna hiya, and then I have this finger and I blend it all over. Hiya. Yo, bro, I got glitter on my freaking hair, bro. Amazing. Sometimes I don't even like use foundation. Most of the time I don't use foundation when I'm not filming outside. That's when I don't wear foundation. But when I'm filming outside with, like when I'm vlogging, that's when I wear foundation. But yeah, I think I added more than usual, bro. Oh, okay, because I've heard of the situation. I'm trying to figure out how to explain this. Because I know a little bit about it, but I know what they're talking about.
Basically, cookie is like, it's kind of symbol of like how like things were simpler back then. And everyone's changing it to that because like with how corporations are and with AI, like how they're kind of like very manipulative and like they like to kind of, I don't know, be very weird with their like audience, consumers, whatever you want to call it. It's not really faithful pretty much, I guess you could say.
In short form, it's like we do not want corporations and AI taking over everything on the internet, pretty much, basically. I just like got rid of like most of the glitter off of my face. After all that, next is the eyeliner. Now, you can either start with the bottom eye like thing or with the top. Normally, what I like to do is start with the bottom. Starting from the bottom, now we're here. Starting from the bottom, now my whole team here. Sometimes what I do is I close my eyes and I just like rub it. Which is not a good thing. You shouldn't do that. But I do it. And my eyeliner fucking me over today. And I kind of like rub it. Like that. And that's how it's supposed to look like right now. I forgot to wear... Oh my god, I hate when like I film and then I realize I forgot to wear my essential jewelry. My jewelry is very important to wear. Very important. We're just gonna pretend my jewelry was on the whole time. We're just gonna pretend. Oh, next is just liquid eyeliner. You can either use this one, which is Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner. Kind of looks like that. Or you could use NYX Epic Ink Liner, which also looks like this, like that. Okay, I gotta be careful. Okay, go over here, line it here, where like I do my crazy eye. Line it where this is. Okay, that's where I line it. Okay, and then I'll do another line over here. I think that's too long. That's okay. And then I do it like that. Okay, and then I connect it once again like that. It doesn't need to be too perfect. Like, try your best, but it doesn't need to be too perfect, because you're just gonna fill it in eventually. And then I do another line over there like that. Okay, and then I fill it in. Hiya, 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 hiya. So it should currently look like this. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more like of the liner. I close my eyes and make another line like that. You got that? Hopefully you got it. So make sure you don't make it too long, okay? Just right. And then I make a C over here, or a U shape, sideways U shape, or C, whatever you want to call it. And you kind of connect that. Make everything pretty much smooth, okay? And then you can smooth a little more, add a little more of kind of like smoothen this line, the second line over. You see what I'm talking about? See that line around my eyelid? You can smooth that a little more, which is what I'm gonna do right now. It's basically how I do my liner, okay? Hopefully y'all got that. This is a little bit more pigmented. There, it's more pigmented, so I'm gonna use this instead. Kind of like smoothing everything out. I'm gonna take a break on lining my stuff and talk about games I'm currently playing at the moment. I am currently playing Destiny, Marvel Rivals, and Roblox.
Why is there an $800,000 charge on my credit card? Dad, I'm a material girl. Get out of my
I also been playing Monster Hunter Wilds, and I named my Securit or whatever that shit's called Azuriel. I'm such an amazing friend, y'all.
I play Rivals with Danny. I streamed with him recently. Oh my god, I got freaking liner. This freaking shit got onto my fucking table, fam. Okay, anyways, go check that. No, actually don't check that stream at all. I didn't have any sleep. I was saying whatever it was up my ass. I don't even know what the fuck I was saying in the moment. I think I was being a terrible person at the moment. Trust me, that is not how I am on a daily basis, okay? Destiny is fucking tortured. Anytime, I would only play Destiny when I'm like overthinking about a bunch of shit, which I have been lately. Next is games I like to play. I like to play Liza P and Resident Evil 4, the original. I played the remake. I heard Liza P is going on sale to like this month, I think. It's free on PlayStation Plus. Danny, if you're lying about that, I will touch you, and not in a good way. That's all I want to play right now. I've heard, oh my god, Killing Floors 3 came out. I need to play that. I just, like, once it goes on sale, that's when I'm gonna get it, obviously. But yeah.
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
Just realized what Pyro is currently watching. This one YouTube video I've watched, about a week ago. Anyways, so this guy is currently trying to crash a pay-to-win server on Minecraft. I forgot. I know who the owner of that server is. I kind of just forgot their name, but I know how they look like. If I know, I'll post it. I'll freaking show you guys there. But yeah, there. Good enough. Next, what I do is, I'm gonna shake this a little more. Oh yeah, next is Crazy Confessions. Is that an ad? Fuck that ad. Currently have 3 confessions. So if you guys wanna write down your crazy confessions in the form, go ahead. Feel free to do that, honestly. I won't be checking it until I have about at least like another 10 more at least. Link in the description. You guys can write one if you want to. If you have one. It's anonymous. That is pretty much it with my makeup. I just gotta add like mascara and I'm pretty much done. I still like put mascara on the underneath my eye. I mean my bottom lashes. But yeah. Next thing I want to talk about is I do need more like video ideas. So if you guys have any video ideas, comment down below. Appreciate it. I want to show you guys my art. That is the last thing I want to do right now. Here's my artwork. My recent drawing, but here. It's not done yet. But here you go. This is what I'm currently working with right now. But yeah. Kind of looks like shit in the camera, but it's not too bad in person. It's not an ad. Fuck that ad. You guys ever like skip an ad? No, but before you even do that, you say shut up or shut the fuck up, and then you skip it. That's what I do. Yeah. I can't wait to watch the Demon Slayer movie, bro. Like, I actually can't wait. It's coming out September, I think. I'm gonna watch it with my little sister. And Happy, you can join us if you want. Just let me alone. Just let me know. Text me, fam. Text me. But yeah. Okay, also, by the way, add a little bit more, like, freaking black eyeliner. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel if you want to as well. Follow my socials, link in the description. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care, drink some blood. See ya.